Howdy there, folks. Today I'm going to take a look at this beautiful, awesome knife from Forseti. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's F-O-R-S-E-T-I. This is from the Forseti Steel Company. Love this beautiful wood box it comes in, and this is the Damascus steel Bowie knife. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Beautiful packaging here. Comes with a leather sheath. Really, really nice. Has a metal snap there to keep it in place. Really nice, high quality, thick leather, excellent quality stitching on the sheath here, excuse me. And it feels like it has some almost like wax applied to it or something for weather protection. Then coming forward, you have a beautiful, this gorgeous Damascus steel blade here. Full metal tang with designs on it. I mean, that is just gorgeous, folks. Gorgeous. Really nice construction quality on this. Really, really nice. And then they can actually custom laser etch like a name on it. This one says Bullets for Bucks. You can also get like a logo put on it. Really gorgeous. Really, really nice. Just love the metalwork and design of this knife. And it's extremely sharp. Really, really nice. It has a micarta, I believe it's micarta handle as well, with almost like a green or gray shade to it. Really, really nice in the hand. Fits great, great balance. Was sent to me for review.